Welcome to Manhattan High School. Our mission is to equip all students to become successful, productive citizens. Our vision is building the foundation for successful citizenship. Manhattan High School has an East and West campus and houses 9th through 12th grade. We offer a broad array of curricula, 14 advanced placement courses, dual credit and concurrent enrollment options, multiple pathways through our career technical education program. We celebrate our clubs and activities. We have an amazing theater and fine arts program. Athletic programs compete annually for the state titles in 24 different sports. One 124 opportunities for students to engage in life outside of school. Actively involved in our community through parks and recreation, fun and exciting downtown, Kansas State University, Fort Riley.